More than 20,000 ASHA workers are protesting here in Freedom Park. It's an indefinite protest by ASHA workers demanding that their wages should be fixed and also enhance incentives and to fix wages as well as money to a fixed amount for their extra work. And they had started their protest, and even the government officials met them yesterday, but nothing was fruitful. They protested overnight, slept here in the Freedom Park, and they say that they will continue this indefinite protest until unless they get some kind of assurance from Chief Minister Siddaramaiah himself. Ma'am, what is your demand? How long you're going to protest, and what is the government is saying?
Actually, I represent Karnataka Rajya Samyukta Asha Karyakarteyara Sangha, which is affiliated to AIUTUC. I'm a state vice president. Since yesterday, we are on strike. It is an indefinite strike. So this issue, whatever we are taking, it is not for the first time we are coming here and giving memorandum to the government. Since 8 years, with the same demand, we have been coming, and all the governments, be it BJP or a Congress, they are not solving the problem. I don't know what is the issue behind. Yeah, we are just asking 15,000 rupees, which is already existing. 12,000 rupees is already existing in the government. With our own fund, it is existing. 5,000 is state government is giving, and the rest of the 7,000 rupees work we are doing. We are saying both together you combine and give 12,000 rupees, and the Congress government in their manifesto they told we are going to give you 3,000 rupees. So totally we are asking for 5,000 rupees. And the population in urban area, another extra demand is in the urban areas, another 2,000 extra we are asking, because the population of work what they are doing, it is more than the rural population. So apart from this, we are also seeing many of our ashas are very sick. They are having cancer. They are having many other deadly diseases where they are not been protected. These people give health to others. For their own security, they don't have anything, sir. So we are saying that the government should give us 3 months of leave, in the sense whoever falls sick, paid leave we are asking for, and with the state government honorarium should be given to them. So, and apart from that, at the time of our retirement, one time benefit we are asking 5 lakhs rupees. And you know this, the problem of the RCH portal, this is not for the first time. Since 8 years, this is the same problem, sir. If I do a worth of 7,000 work, I am only paid 2,000, 3,000. We don't know where it is going. We time and again we have gone to the government, we have submitted the memorandum, still there is no answer.
Ma'am, yesterday few officials had met you. What was assurance given by them? Why you did not agree with them?
No assurance, sir. They have only come to take the memorandum, not to speak here. Because I say here, they should have come with an answer, sir. We have given a strike notice before. Since February, we have given a strike notice. If you don't fulfill the demand, we are going on a strike. They should have come with an answer yesterday. They simply came and received the memorandum and saying that we will see, we will do. In future, we will think of. It's in a process. The same tone they are coming and speaking here.
What is your demand? You will continue the protest until unless Chief Minister comes here and gives some kind of assurance? What is it?
We are saying that the problem should be solved, sir. Whoever it may be, they should come here, solve the problem. That is our whole and sole interest here. And last February, Honorable Chief Minister told, when we sat like this last year, February, he told, I am going to eat to your demands. I will sit with you. I will solve the problem. As of now, he has not taken any decision nor called for a meeting. So we are on a strike again here, sir. After 11 months, we are on a strike here. It will continue, and we are going to sit here the whole day, night. We are going to sit here. It's an indefinite strike. Government should immediately respond to this. If not, we are going to be here. And whatever happens to Ashas or the public, government is solely responsible.
So ASHA workers were the frontline workers even during the COVID time, and now we can see that they are demanding the promises which was being made by Congress in their manifesto as well as when they had protested previously, and their demand is something which has been there from pending from a long time, and it is the a genuine demand of them which is already in the manifesto of Congress, and they claim that they will continue the indefinite protest until unless they get some kind of justice. With the Madhu Sagaraj reporting for India Today, Bengaluru.